As adults, educators, and college students, we all still struggle with this question of what is a good friend. So now think, how do students of the elementary level feel about this question? This is why I find it necessary that teachers of elementary levels should educate their students on what it means to be a good friend and the traits and characteristics that one may have when considered to be a good friend. Now let's reflect upon this theme. There are 3 essential questions. What do you think it means to be a good friend? How do we make and keep friends? And what can you change to be a better friend? In this short video, it expresses the feelings and beliefs that elementary students have on what a real friend is, a good friend, and one friend that you can keep forever. This also shows a representation of how students of elementary level can figure out if they are a good friend, or if they have that good friend. They can think, how can I change to become a true good friend? It's important in many ways, but most importantly, it's an overall understanding of how to work together and how to treat others right.